Proving defamation as a public figure can be challenging than a private individual due to higher standard of proofs required. Here are some key elements a public figure must prove to establish defamation. False statement. The public figure must show that the statement made about them is false. Truth is the defense in defamation. So if the statement is true, the defamation claim will fail. Publication. The statement must be communicated at least to one person to another, then plaintiff. This can be through any medium such as print, broadcast, or online. Injury to the reputation. The public figure must demonstrate that the false statement has caused harm to their reputation. This can include damage to their professional standards, personal relationship, or emotional distress. Actual malice. This is the most significant difference between public figures. They must prove that the statement was made with the actual malice, meaning knowledge or facility. The defendant knew the statement was false. Reckless disregard for the truth. The defendant acted with a reckless disregard for whether the statement was true or false. For the public figure must show that the defendant was at the fault in making statement. This involves proving that the defendant acted negligently or with the intent to harm. Challenges for the public figure. High standard of proof. Providing actual malice is a high bar and requires substantial evidence. Freedom of speech. Defendant often argues that their statements were protected under the freedom of speech, especially in the matters of public interest or political discourse. Public serenity. Public figures are often subject to great public scrutiny as the criticism which can complicate defamation claims. Example of evidence: documentation, email, texts, or other communication shows the defendant knew the statement was false. Which testimony from the individuals who can attest that the defendant knowledge or the reckless disregard the truth. Expert testimony. The expert who can explain the impact of the false testimony on the public figure reputation. While it is challenging for the public figure to provide defamation, it is not impossible. The key is to gather strong evidence demonstrating actual malice and harm caused by the false statement.